We've all seen animals, and we have all, maybe not all of us, but a lot of us have had pets. We are now going to watch animals' funniest moments, but these are wild animals specifically, according to this title, anyway. So this is what we're going to watch today. We all love animals. We all know how they could be funny and how they could be cute, how they could be annoying, how they can be angry, how they could be aggressive. Today we are watching the funniest. Enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Let's go. Oh. Oh no. Why would you not lock your doors?
Oh my gosh, I didn't know they could do that. You are in our car.
A camel.
No, do not touch it, Megan.
What are they expecting? I'm a bit confused on that.
Oh, that is awesome, right?
What is he doing?
That elephant
Sly's
fart.
right there. Oh, okay, he's afraid of Sly. Oh, look, Sly's taking after him. Oh my god.
Okay, so he just climbed right up on my car.
I'm assuming that crack right there is due to this goat.
Throw a carrot to this guy? Yeah, throw it like no, like off the car. Throw it off. Don't encourage him. Throw it off the car. Lindsay!
She's actually just, I mean, I had to say, she's an idiot. That's for sure.
Encouraging. Oh my god. Get off my car, please.
Wow, she's standing way back up. Oh, wow.
Oh, there she goes.
She got it up. Oh my gosh, she got the baby open. No, my
Is it funny or is it skills? That's what I say.
Hey, Mr. Bear.
Why was he walking like that? Or she walking? Don't want to assume now. Why were they walking like that?
Please close the door.
That bear has tags on it. I think it's an owned. I think that bear is owned by someone. This was wild. These. Oh. The fact that they just do this. Oh, what's going on there?
Oh my god, are you kidding me? Look at him. Oh my god, he just got right in that car. Oh, look at him. Look at. He
What'd
just
you
took
got?
a mouthful of something.
Wow, a mouthful of something nice.
I love you. I love you.
Is it trying to clean it? I'm confused. Oh, biting the lip. It is crazy. Those skills could probably destroy that dog.
They spit, so I would go. Go.
Oh, we haven't seen camera.
What's on your car?
They spit, so I would go.
What answers? Anyone who has answers for that? What is on their car? Because I don't know.
Go.
Oh, we haven't seen camels either. Speaking of spitters. Hey,
Go, Dad,
okay,
go.
Brady.
Oh, I'm sorry, dude. I gotta go. Dad, go!
He's a Rays fan. Explains it.
Oh my goodness. Oh, this is dangerous.
I feel like something's gonna happen.
Well, that means the rhinos are not too far.
Where are
I'm
they?
a little scared right now. A little bit. Not gonna lie. Yep, not gonna lie.
Not gonna lie.
Something's
Oh
happening.
my goodness. Okay, I'm gonna back up a little bit there. Yeah, we'll just hang on over here for a few minutes.
Oh, okay. They was in like a resort thing.
Don't drag it up there. He's gonna run after it.
What was that dude doing?
Don't let him drag your rod. Son of a. Oh well.
I don't know. That dude. That he. Oh, that was her hair.
I'm literally getting the best video. Apollo is not hiding.
Okay, I was giving it. That was quite good. That was funny. Is it just me? I think I've just got older. I am not finding these animal videos that funny. But we're like committed to it now, so we have to go with it. But I'm just not finding them that funny.
Doug, what do you do? Doug.
Sorry. Let's just quickly rewind on this one. Yeah, he's backing up. Yeah, this girl, whoever's filming, seems to be backing up.
Doug, what do you do? Doug.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. She's gone behind her child. Can we just say that she has gone behind her child to be protected by the bear or from the bear? That's messed up. That is messed up. Just like you know, if you're watching this video, whoever filmed this, that's messed up. That was not a child. That was not a child. It was someone sitting down. I take back what I just said. Apologies. Oh, you know, I just think on that note, we're gonna end it. Guys, I appreciate you guys for watching. Hopefully you did enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.